Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the 2 packs of the 3.7 volt button top rechargeable batteries, otherwise known as the 18650s. Now this is something that's fairly common. More and more items are being powered from these. Now there is an important distinction that we'll make here in just a moment with these. Thing number one, you can build your own power bank with these, and I've shown in another video how to do exactly that. It's a matter of put the cells in and you're done. So that is very useful. Thing number two, it's good for powering a variety of devices. You would be surprised at what's running on the 18650s. There are different capacities. I found these work rather well. I've even got them powering a dash camera. So that should tell you something right there. I'm amazed at how flexible it is. Thing number three, they're available in several different colors. Now, if you have one pack that's always used for, you name the purpose, you can have those cells all the same color. You can have them different colors based on when you bought them. All this is, and it's window dressing to a degree because it really doesn't change the functionality of the battery. Now there are two kinds of batteries that you need to be aware of with these. These are called the button tops, where they got the little button up top. There are flat cells that are flat at each end. Now those you really have to watch when you're putting them in, because you could get them in backwards and then wonder why things are not working. I typically stay with the button cells. The flat tops are ones that are more soldered into packs, but I've not had that need as yet, so this is something that's well worth taking a look at. I've been very pleased with the ones that I've got so far. This is what I'm getting ready to place my third order of them. So it's just really, they work. That's all I can say. I mean, yes, there will be sometimes where they don't last as long, but when you pull high amounts of power out of them, they're going to exhaust quickly. Also make sure you've got a very good charger. I have noticed a difference since I upgraded chargers, and it's got an LCD display and some other things, and it seems to last, the charge seems to last much better than it did in the past. So take a look at these, and you may start using these yourself. You never know.